I'm Sue Roberts, the Chief Executive at Better Pathways. So Better Pathways was set up in 1963 to help people with poor mental health into paid employment, and currently we run a number of programs designed to do that, to grow people's self-confidence, their self-esteem and their skills to help them on their journey from here into employment outside of Better Pathways.
As an account manager, I've worked with Better Pathways for a number of months. The first thing I did was I came along and had a look around to see what their particular objectives were, and then I offered them the support that could meet those needs.
Working with the Growth Hubs helped us to network more broadly, and it's also helped us to access advice about future opportunities. One of the ways that the Growth Hub has been able to help us more recently is with accessing the Clean Growth Grant to help us develop our energy efficiency programme.
I've made some useful introductions to them, to our partners who can help them with various aspects and also with their skills and recruitment.
And also access to specialist advice in connection with a crowdfunding campaign that we're soon going to be launching.
Widney Manufacturing Limited, we can trace our origins back to 1886 in Birmingham, so a long established company. Currently we employ just over 200 people. We're turning over just under £20 million at the moment. I initially made contact with the Growth Hub following some work I'd been doing on export.
The Growth Hub has offered a wide variety of support to Widney Manufacturing.
We've had funding towards some LED lighting, which allowed us to continue a programme that was on hold for financial reasons.
We've offered them support for their intellectual property, working with the Intellectual Property Office. We've managed to get them a funded review of all their IP, plus follow-up support.
We've also been involved in the apprentice funding scheme. We've had some additional funding through Growth Hub for that.
We've also offered them specialist support around various aspects through our partners that we work with. This can be the universities or the chambers or banks or whatever. So a wide variety of tailored support for their growth. I connected Better Pathways with Widney Manufacturing because I could see that there was a real obvious synergy between the two companies. I went to see Jason at Widney and he showed me around the shop floor, and what struck me was how friendly everybody was there, how happy everybody was to see Jason, their director. It was clear that there were parts of the production process for certain products that could be outsourced, and that's exactly what Better Pathways do.
We're really excited to be developing a new partnership with Widney Manufacturing. Widney Manufacturing produce parts for big plant machinery, and they are going to be sending to Better Pathways the jobs that we can do for them.
Yeah, well, the reason that Widney wanted to work with Better Pathways obviously fulfills part of our corporate social responsibility. The two companies do have a lot of synergies. One thing that we struggle for back at base Widney is floor space, and particularly some of the smaller jobs that take up a lot of floor space.
So the advantages of the relationship are twofold really. One is that we get more work into Better Pathways so we can broaden the range of opportunities we give to our people, but crucially it enables us to grow our commercial income so that we can plough that back into our organisation to help more people going forward.
So the services that the Growth Hub's provided to us so far have been fantastic, supporting us in areas that we don't currently have expertise, and I think for a lot of SMEs that the support that's available should be utilised. Developing the relationship with the Growth Hub has been really wonderful for us. It's enabled us to grow our network and to really think about our future and crystallise what our growth opportunities might be, and I would most certainly recommend the Growth Hub to anybody in our position going forward.